Hello everyone, my name is Tuba Parveen. I am Assistant Professor in the School of Management, Babu Banarsi Das University. So today I am going to discuss the very important topic input and output devices, which is under the course Essentials of IT. So input devices. What are input devices? Devices which are used to insert the information into the computer are the input devices. This data or information can be in any form like text, images, audios or videos. Some of the common examples of input devices are keyboard, scanners, joysticks, mouse, light pen, etc. Input devices are the electromagnetic devices that accepts the data or the set of instructions from outside world, and then these translates these data into machine readable and understandable form of language. They act as an interface between the outside world and the computer for proper communication. So let's discuss some of the input devices. So first one is the keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and commonly used input device. It contains various keys for entering letters, numbers and characters. The keys on the keyboard are like numeric keys, which are used to enter numeric data and move the cursor. It is typically made up of 17 keys. Then we have keyboard shortcut keys. They include letter keys from A to Z and the number keys 0 to 9. Then we have control keys. The control keys are like directional arrow keys like home and insert, delete, control and escape are also included in control keys. Then we have some special keys. Special keys are enter, shift, caps, num lock. Then we have tab keys, print screen. Then we have function keys. Function keys are 12 keys which are from F1 to F12, and these are on the topmost row of the keyboard. Keyboard is connected to a computer system with the help of a USB or a Bluetooth device. Then keyboard are of different types, like the most common one is the QWERTY keyboard, another are AZERTY keyboard and DVORA keyboard. Keyboards are also affordable, and instead of using the mouse, we can utilize the arrow keys on the keyboards to do the same purpose as the mouse. So next input device is the mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to move the cursor on the screen in the desired direction. It allows users to choose files, folders or multiple files or text or all at once. It can be used to open a file, a folder. First, you must move your pointer to a file folder and then double click on it to open or execute it. Next input device is the scanner. Scanners are used to enter information directly into the computer memory. This device works like a Xerox machine. It is an input device that works in the same way as a photocopier machine. It is used when there is a data on paper that need to be transferred to a computer's hard disk for further processing. The scanner collects images from the source and translates them to a digital version that can be saved on a hard disk. These graphics can be changed before they are printed. Scanners are basically of 5 types: flatbed scanners, handheld scanners, sheet-fed scanners, drum scanners, and photo scanners. The scanners are adaptable, that is, they allow you to scan a wide range of items regardless of their size. You can scan small items as well as large documents if you can locate them. Next input device is a trackball. Trackball is similar to the upside down design of this mouse. The user moves the ball directly while the device itself remains stationary. The user spins the ball in various directions to affect the screen movements. So now output devices. Output device is a piece of computer hardware that receives data from a computer and then translates the data into another form. That form may be audio, visual, textual, or hard copy, such as a printed document. So as we discussed, the input device is the device that sends the data to a computer, whereas the output device is a device that receives the data from the computer. This is the main difference between both of them. That is, the input device sends the data to the computer system, while the output receives the data from the computer. So, for example, using a microphone to record a podcast is an example of using an input device. You are using a microphone to record a podcast. So that will be an example of an input device. Then when you listen to that recorded podcast through a connected speaker, then it is an example of an output devices. That is, you are inputting the audio firstly, that will be through our input device, and then you are listening it, so the output is coming outside the speaker. So that will be the example of input and output device. Okay, so there are various output devices which are commonly used, like monitor, printers, headphones, speakers, then projectors, plotters, and various others. So let's discuss some of these output devices. So first one is the monitor. Now monitor is the most commonly used output device. It is a device which displays all the icons, text, images, etc. over a screen. When we ask the computer to perform an action, the results of that action is displayed on the screen, on the monitor. There are various type of monitors that has been developed over the years, like first or earlier we use CRT monitors, cathode ray tube monitors. Then over the time, the nowadays monitors used are LED, LCDs, etc. Next output device is the printer. A printer is a device which makes a copy of the pictorial or textual content, usually over a paper. You can see printers almost everywhere, like in offices or any other places. It is an output device that produces a hard copy of a data. They are of different kinds, like they are basically divided into two categories, that is impact printers and non-impact printers. Next output device is a plotter. Plotter is similar to printer, but it is a wide format printer. They are the first type of output devices that could print high resolution, continuous lines, text, and images with color and generate graphics and full-size engineering drawings. Plotters are more expensive than printers. They are frequently used for computer-aided manufacturings and computer-aided engineering applications, such as computer-aided drawings. They also include generating blueprints, graphs, technical drawings, and architectural drawings. Then plotters are of different kinds, like drum plotters, flat bed plotters, electrostatic plotters, and inkjet plotters. Next output device, projector. A projector is an output device, and it is often used in meetings and meetings for presentations. Projectors are optical devices which presents an image or moving images onto a projection screen. They are usually commonly used in auditoriums and movie theaters for the display of the video or lightning. If a projector is connected to a computer, then the image or video is displayed on the screen, which is same as the one displayed on the computer screen. So these are a few input and output devices. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.